English grammar verb tenses. Hello. Today we're going to be discussing one of the most important aspects of English grammar, verb tenses. English has several verb tenses, including present simple, present continuous, past simple, past continuous, future simple, and future continuous. Each of these tenses is used to describe different types of actions or events. Let's start with present simple. Present simple is used to describe actions that happen regularly or habitually. For example, I eat breakfast every morning, or she goes to the gym 3 times a week. The structure of present simple is straightforward. Subject plus verb, in the base form, plus object, if applicable. For example, I eat cereal for breakfast. Now let's move on to present continuous. Present continuous is used to describe actions that are happening right now, at the moment of speaking. For example, I am writing this tutorial, or she is watching TV. The structure of present continuous is subject plus to be, in the present tense, plus verb, ing form, plus object, if applicable. For example, I am writing a tutorial. Next up is past simple. Past simple is used to describe actions that happened in the past and are now completed. For example, I went to the movies last night, or she cooked dinner for us yesterday. The structure of past simple is subject plus verb, in the past tense, plus object, if applicable. For example, I watched a movie last night. Moving on to past continuous. Past continuous is used to describe actions that were happening in the past at a specific moment in time. For example, I was studying when the phone rang, or she was walking her dog when it started to rain. The structure of past continuous is subject plus to be, in the past tense, plus verb, ing form, plus object, if applicable. For example, I was studying for my exam when the phone rang. Now let's talk about future simple. Future simple is used to describe actions that will happen in the future. For example, I will visit my grandparents next weekend, or she will start her new job in 2 weeks. The structure of future simple is subject plus will, plus verb, in the base form, plus object, if applicable. For example, I will call you later. Finally, we have future continuous. Future continuous is used to describe actions that will be happening at a specific moment in the future. For example, I will be working at 9 o'clock tomorrow, or she will be traveling to Europe next month. The structure of future continuous is subject plus will be, plus verb, ing form, plus object, if applicable. For example, I will be working on my project at 9 o'clock tomorrow. And that's it for our tutorial on verb tenses in English. Remember, verb tenses are an essential part of English grammar, and mastering them will help you communicate more effectively in English. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video.